Today we are going to turn this into this.
We will be using the ceiling mounted storage rack from FlexiMounts to organize our garage. It's a 4x8 model which can hold up to 600 pounds and is height adjustable from 22 inches to 40 inches. Let's start by cutting open this box and laying out all the parts. So here's all the parts laid out. Basically all we have to do is connect these 4 racks here and then just hang them from the ceiling. So we're going to start by connecting all 4 of these and we'll move on to the next step. The next thing I'm going to do is measure out how far I want this to hang from the ceiling, and then I'm going to connect them all using these bolts and these nuts right here. So I measured out this one here, and now I'm just going to put the nuts and bolts through. I need to clear out this section so I can get the ladder and start attaching the stuff to the ceiling. I'm doing this next step a little bit out of order of the directions just because I'm putting this up in the corner and I won't be able to access some of these bolts once I put it up. So I'm going to go ahead and put these supports on first and then we're going to put it up onto the ceiling. So now I lowered all of these to where I want them to be. That's how high I want it to hang from the ceiling. So I'm going to go ahead and lock all these down and then we can mount it up to the ceiling. The next step is to get the mounting rails mounted to the ceiling. I had to put mine on 2x4s just because the studs did not line up. So I'm just mounting them to there first. I'm going to mount the 2x4s up to the ceiling and then we will be able to mount the rack up. The rack is fully installed. I had to do it a little bit different than the directions only because I wanted it close to the wall here, but I couldn't get up against the wall because there's a window frame here. But overall, installed very smoothly, took about 2 hours total. So I'm gonna go ahead and start loading it up and organizing the garage. So this here is a finished product. It got me a bunch more space up top, so it's a really great product, guys. Check it out. I have a link in the description below and also a discount code for you guys. So if you like how this came out and you think it would be a good addition to your shop, go ahead and click that link and check it out. Thanks.